Today I'm going to show you how to capture a game window in OBS. Capturing a game window is easy. What we need to do is go to sources, click on the plus icon, go up over here and look for game capture. Once you're in game capture, name it. Maybe you want to name it the game that you would like to capture. And this is what it currently looks like because it's currently in capture any full screen application. Now, what we need to do is use this drop down menu, click on capture specific window, and here we are going to choose the window. So I've got a few windows open, and this is the issue with the Roblox if you are wanting to capture Roblox. Now, what it is saying is it cannot be captured using game capture. You need to use the window capture or display capture instead. Okay, so you'll be able to do this. Once you're done, go ahead, click on OK, and you'll be able to then capture Roblox. Now, what you'll do is jump into Roblox and start whatever game that you want to start, and then you will start recording. Now, your recording, you can go and set your hotkeys so that you don't have to come out and then click on start recording over here before you can actually record. If you want to use a different type of game, let's say you want Roblox, not Roblox, Minecraft. I've got Minecraft open here as well, as you can see, and we're going to choose Minecraft, and here we're going to choose the window match priority. So we want to choose match title, otherwise find window of the same executable. Here, go ahead and make sure that it says capture audio. You'll have now a new audio source added in here. So let's just do this quickly. Remove this here. You'll see that there's game capture there. Currently no game capture. Also, you want to use the capture cursor if you do want your cursor available, and then the use anti-cheat compatibility hook, make sure that that is on. And now capture third-party overlays such as Steam, we want to do that as well. Hook rate, here you want to make sure that this is normal for now, but if you are experiencing any lag, go ahead and make it slower. And then your color space over here, just leave it as is. And we want to say OK. Now, what will happen if we just turn this display off? You'll be able to see your game capture. Now, if you're not seeing your game capture, which I am currently experiencing, go ahead and click on this link over here. It will now open up the page that you see here. This is troubleshooting specifically for Minecraft, but whatever source you're choosing here, whichever window you're choosing, it'll be appropriate for the window that you've selected. Now go ahead, follow these instructions. Once you've done that, you'll be able to capture your game through OBS.